You're trying too hard, and you have been your whole life, and intuitively you know that's true, and I'm gonna prove it to you. Put your fingers together like this, really gentle, and just rub them like so, and imagine like you're playing a tiny violin, and notice how it's weirdly relaxing. Is that because you're playing the world's smallest ASMR invisible violin? No. It's because you're focusing on something that's very small and subtle, and so the rest of your consciousness can be what it is, which is pure space. Your consciousness is literally pure space. But normally you're focused on all the things that are happening in space, and there's always a lot going on, and you're trying to bring intensity to meet all the stuff that's going on, and it's dominating your consciousness, and so you can never relax and be the space that you are. But when you focus on something subtle, like for example, pick one sound in the room right now, just one sound, and focus on it. Again, it allows the rest of your consciousness to be pure space. And again, your nervous system can start to relax because you're not trying to hold everything at once, and you're being gentle. There is power in being gentle. There's power in doing less. Stop trying so hard. Be intentionally gentle. Intentionally focus on small things as you go about your day. And your awareness will be pure space, will be relaxation, will ease deeper into that baseline. It's easy to be intense from a gentle place. It's harder to be gentle from an intense place. So, drop all the way down like a feather into that gentle place. Don't buy into the brainwashing that tells you you have to be like the Kool-Aid man breaking through the wall every 5 seconds. Give yourself a chance to feel your power, your gentle power, the power that doesn't seem to count for anything on the surface in this society, but you'll feel it, just like you can feel it now as you tune into the little things that are happening, that potency, that gentleness. Be intentionally gentle and watch the magic start to happen today.